will have to answer that question. Okay. And you should first tell me how old you are, and then you answer the question. Now, when you have visitors at home, or you will have some of your uncles or aunties who come to your house, and some of them will like to tease you and play with you or say something which you do not like. So I'm going to ask you questions and you have to tell me how you feel when somebody asks you a question like this. Okay. So today I'm going to give each one of you a question which you are going to answer me and tell me how you feel when someone comes and says this to you. Is it clear, everyone? Each one of you will be asked a question and you will have to tell me how you feel when someone comes and asks you something like this. Clear, everyone? Yes, Vetri, you have a doubt, Vetri? Yes, what is it?
Miss, the first time I didn't enjoy it clearly. The second time I enjoyed it clearly.
What, Vetri?
I cannot hear the question clearly.
You cannot hear me well? Now can you hear me well? Now you can hear me well? Okay, fine. Yes. Mute your device. I'm going to have one question for each one of you and you're going to answer that question. Clear? Who wants to be the first one?
Me, please, Grandma.
Okay, Josh Khanna. Fine. Okay, Sasha, hands down.
Ma'am, 1 minute.
Yes.
Whoever's talking, they are
Yeah.
coming in spotlight. You have to remove that, ma'am.
Yeah. You want to remove that, then
And
I'll
then
put
only I can.
myself on spot.
And then I can add them
Okay.
in spotlight.
Okay. Now it's okay, Suji? Okay. Now the first question is for Josh Khanna. Josh, when someone asks you, who do you love more? Is it your dad or your mom? I don't want to know what answer you will give. I want to know how do you feel when someone asks you a question like that?
I feel like I like both of them so much, and I don't know what to say.
Okay, so you don't know what to say. Why do you ever wonder why they ask you a question like that?
No, Grandma.
No. So when someone asks you a question like that, what do you generally say to them?
I say I like both my parents very much.
Yeah, but some of them will keep insisting, right? No, 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 you must say only one.
Yes, Grandma. Then
Yeah.
I'll say I like.
No. I don't want to know what you'll say. So how do you feel when they keep insisting like that? Do you get upset? Do you think, my God, why are they questioning me like this? Or why should they ask something like this? Do you ever feel like that? So like that, I want to know what you feel.
Okay, Grandma. I feel why they have to ask it.
Okay. Do you ever get a bit irritated or annoyed?
Not much, Grandma.
Okay. It just makes you wonder why they have questioned you like that. Okay.
Yes, Grandma.
Now I'm asking you, Josh Khanna, would you ever ask a question like this to somebody?
No, Grandma.
Why?
Mm,
Why wouldn't you ask, Josh Khanna?
it's because then they may feel annoyed or.
Yes, because you don't want to annoy or irritate somebody else. Very good. Thank you. You have answered well. We go to Vishaka next. Vishaka, can we come to you next? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Vishaka, It's your birthday, okay? It's your birthday. So you, Vishaka Suji, you have put Aditi. You tell me when I can talk. Yeah, okay. Vishaka, it's your birthday. Okay, how old are you, Vishaka? I forgot to ask you that. How old are you?
I'm 9 years old.
9 years old. Okay. So generally, maybe not now, or maybe even now, or maybe when you were younger, when it's your birthday and you take sweets to give everybody, you know, you take a box of sweets to give everyone. Sometimes some people will just take the whole box from you and say, no, I'm going to keep the whole box of chocolates. Have you ever experienced that?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So how do you feel at that time when people take the whole box from you? When you were
I
younger?
feel two things.
Yes.
Ma'am, I feel two things. One is he is just telling lie.
Okay.
And another is why is he taking my box from me?
Okay. So how does it make you feel? What sort of a feeling do you get when
Sad.
a little sad? Okay. Okay. And would you do something like that when you grow up to another child?
No, ma'am.
Why, Vishaka?
Because if I don't want them to do to me, then I should not do to them.
Excellent. Excellent, Vishaka. Thank you. Thank you. Next, shall we have Aditi?
Yes, Grandma.
Okay. How old are you, Aditi?
Grandma, in September I'm going to be 10, so now I'm 9.
Okay, now you're 9. Fine. So now you're going to, maybe not now, maybe when you were younger. Sometimes when people come to your house, when you have guests coming, friends or maybe relatives, cousins, when they are leaving, they may just carry you and say, I'm going to take you home with me. Have you ever
Grandma, I feel
experienced?
two things.
Yes.
Yes, Grandma, I've experienced it before. Two things
Yeah.
I'll feel. When they're laughing and saying it, I know it's a joke. So I won't feel sad.
Okay.
Second time when it's really, I'll feel sad and I'll say, my Amma's here.
Okay. Do you think is it necessary for someone to talk like that?
For a joke, it's fine, Grandma, but really no.
Okay. For a joke, it's fine. As a child, did you ever think that it's only a joke?
Sometimes, yes. Sometimes my relatives will say, come with me, we'll go.
Okay. But then, did you know they were joking?
Yes.
Okay. So you always knew they were joking.
Yes.
Then why did you say I felt sad at times when they have a serious face?
When it's really there, I know when it's real and when it's a joke. So when it's really, I'll feel sad saying I can't say no to them. They'll feel sad. And my mother's here. I don't want to leave her.
Okay. Okay. So you feel even if they don't smile and say it, it's not a joke?
When they laugh and say it, it's a joke only.
Okay. Otherwise, you seriously think they will take you away?
No, Grandma, when
When
they're
they don't laugh.
serious, when they smile and say it, sometimes it's a joke.
Okay. Okay, fine, Aditi. So would you say something like that to a child when you grow up?
No.
Okay, why?
Because the child
Why
will think
wouldn't-
I'm really saying that and he'll become sad and won't know what to do.
Very good. Thank you, Aditi. Excellent. Next, we'll have Vetri. Suji, where's Vetri? Okay. Vetri, how old are you?
I'm 8 years old.
Okay. When you were younger or even now, when children of your age is all seated together, there is somebody who's very, who always like to tease little children, one of your relatives or somebody, a friend, and they are coming and serving ice cream to everybody. When they come to you, they'll say, no, I'm not going to give you ice cream. And then they serve everyone else. But in the end, it makes you sad, and then you ask for the ice cream and then you are given. Have you ever experienced something like that when you were small or younger than now? Anyone teasing you like that? Not maybe an ice cream, maybe a toy or whatever. Yes, yes, yes. So how?
When I came to my father's village, I always my cousin, brother, or my sister calls and always tease me. You know that, and uh, I just go into the launch a rocket from me like that.
Okay, so how do you feel when they do that?
First time I think it's serious. Then when I going, it feels like a little joke. But it
Okay, so okay, it isn't funny at all. So would you joke on somebody like that when you grow up?
Yeah, my friend.
Okay, so why would you joke on them when you feel it is not something which you enjoyed?
Because he also sometimes tease me out.
What, Vetri?
Sometimes he also tease me.
No. You're not understanding my question. When you grow up, when you meet little children, not your cousin, when you meet little children, would you tease them like how your cousin teased you? That's what I'm asking you.
No, only if they got like me young age like that only I can do that. Or the heart will be broken.
Okay, so you would not do anything to break their heart, right?
Only if they
Very good, Vetri.
like my age in 8 years or something. When I was
Okay.
they won't even tease me at all. Now only they teasing me.
Okay, fine, Vetri. Thank you. Next, we'll have Diana.
Ma'am.
Diana. Suji, I cannot see Diana. Ah, yes, Diana. Okay, Diana, can you hear Suji, Chitra ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
How old are you, Diana? Yes, very good. How old are you, Diana?
6 years old.
6 years old?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now you have a baby sister, right, Diana?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you love your baby sister?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now many people will come to your house when your baby sister was born. They would have come to see the baby, right?
Yes, ma'am.
And some of them would have told you, I like this baby very much. Let me take the baby with me.
Yes, ma'am.
So how did you feel at that time, Diana, when they told you that?
Very sad.
Yes, very sad. What did you think about those people when they told you? What did you think about them?
அவங்கெல்லாம் என்னோட பேபி சிஸ்டர் தூக்கிட்டு போயிருவாங்க எங்கேயாவது நான் நினைப்பேன்.
Okay. So when you grow up, will you do something like that to a little child like that?
No.
Why? Why, Diana?
அவங்க இருந்தா ரொம்ப சேடா இருப்பாங்க. அவங்க நம்ம செஞ்சா அப்படி.
You don't sad. You don't want to make them sad. Very good, Diana. Excellent. Yes, Devi. Yeah, Devi. Yes, Devi. Devi,
Ma'am?
how old are you?
9 years old.
Okay. Now, maybe when you are younger or even now, I don't know. When we have a celebration, when it is festival time, we will all wear new dress, right? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
And when we wear new dress, we go to people's houses to give sweets, or people come to your house to give sweets and be with you all. Sometimes some of the big people, the adults, will come to you and say, your dress is very nice. Can I wear your dress? Can I take it away?
Yes, ma'am. One time that happened.
Okay, so how did you feel at that time?
I felt a little happy and sad.
Why happy and why sad?
Sad because it was a new dress that I was wearing for the first time, and happy if the dress was itching me or too tight for me.
No, Devi, I'm not asking like that. See, now somebody as big as Chitra ma'am says, I want to take your dress to wear it. Do you think it will fit me?
No.
So I'm asking like that. When someone has twice or three times your size is asking you for your dress, what would you think of that person?
I think that they like to do jokes.
Oh, you think they like to do jokes. Okay, so would you enjoy that?
A little bit, yes, ma'am.
Would you do that to another child when you grow up?
No, ma'am.
Why, Devi?
Because they might not know that it is a joke.
Yes, and it might hurt them. So, you know, some children may not know it's a joke and they may get hurt.
Yes, ma'am.
So, to do something like that to a child is not okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, who's remaining? We have one more child, I think. Sansha. Suji, Shansha is the last one. Sansha, how old are you?
7.
How old are you, Sansha?
7.
7, okay. Does Sansha have a favorite toy? Okay, so what's your favorite toy? You tell me, what's your favorite toy?
One big house that you can go into.
Oh, okay. So you have a big house, like a doll house, is it?
No, you can go into it.
Yeah, okay. You can go into it. Okay. So has anyone ever told you, I'm going to take this house away from you?
One
Sansha?
time my friend did.
Okay. So no, your friend is okay. I'm talking about anyone big. Have they come and told you that? Maybe not your house, maybe something else which you like very much. Yeah.
Yeah, they have
So
told
how did you feel when
me.
that? Okay, something else. Okay, so how did you feel when they told you that?
Sad.
Sansha, I can't hear you.
Sad.
Sad? You felt sad? Did you wonder why they were asking for your favorite thing?
Because they liked it.
Okay. So when you grow up, would you go and ask a child for her favorite thing and tell her that you'll take it away from her? Would you say something
No.
like that? No. Why wouldn't you say that? Why wouldn't you say that?
Because the child would really think that I'm taking away.
Yes, the child will really think that you will take it away. The child will not know that you are playing with the child. Very good. Thank you, Sansha. Yes, thank you. Now, yes, all of you had your chance to speak. Now, I want each one of you to tell me one thing that you learned. Sujit, this let them all be in the grid view itself. Okay, so one thing that you learned today that you should in class from our discussion in this, what is one lesson that you learned today and what made you happy today? Two things. Yes, Devi.
Ma'am, the first one is not to tease a child because he or she might not know it's a joke and will feel very sad. And the
Good.
thing that I'm happy about today is that I swam correctly for the first time.
Good, good, Devi. Excellent. Vishaka.
Mom, in class I learned that should never do a thing which you want. You don't should never do a thing to other child which you don't want to do others to do with you.
Okay, good. So don't do anything which you don't want anyone to do it to you.
Yes, ma'am.
And what are you happy?
And I'm happy for coming to India today, ma'am.
Ah, good, good. Thank you, Vishaka. Yes, Joshkana.
Grandma, today I had learned that we should never do unnecessary things to others. Now, even when we grow up, we should never do that. And then what made me happy today is when I get to see you very soon.
Thank you, Joshkana. Even I'm waiting. Yes, Aditi.
Grandma, today I learned that if you know it and the other child doesn't, you should not do it to the other child.
Yes. Then what made you happy?
Today I'm happy because in my handwriting class I had no mistake.
Excellent. Good. Yes, Sansha.
And what I learned today is you should always treat others the way you wanted to be treated. Because if you treat others the bad way, it will come back to you. If you treat others the good way, it will come back to you.
Excellent, Sansha. Then what made you happy today?
What made me happy today is that I did in new class today.
Okay, thank you, Sansha. Vetri?
Yes, Mr. Chitra.
Yes, you tell me what did you learn today and what were you happy for?
Do not break a little heart.
Very good, very sweet, Vetri. Yes. And what made you happy today?
In the class or in the outdoors?
Anything.
Two things.
Okay.
I came to my grandma's house,
Good.
and in that, my mom came here,
Okay.
and I played with.
Okay. Good. Good. Excellent. Diana, what did you learn today?
I learned today not to hurt other children.
Very good, Diana. Very good. And what are you happy for?
My daddy and I am making slime.
Very good. You made slime today. Good. Yes, children. Very good. Excellent class. So to sum it up, do not do anything to hurt another person. Because what you enjoy, the other person will not enjoy. And never find happiness in bullying another person or hurting another person. That is very, very wrong. Beautiful children like that will never do things like that. Okay?